Hello folks, Charles Schmidt, Performance Motor Cars. Cold start. Our 1999 Cadillac Deville Collector's Edition, 66,886 original miles. The Carfax shows 4-owner. It's truly a 2-owner. We have all of the detailed service records, including a fresh service yesterday. There's the sticker from Meineke. In the description box, you'll see all of the photographs of all of the service history. Motor sounds great. We're going to have continued videos throughout this posting. You'll see a walk-around video next and some interior video shots and some of the undercarriage. Thank you, Charles Schmidt, Performance Motor Cars, 219-327-4200.